Welcome to Foodie Installation Guide. Please follow the instructions step by step. Accessories. Along with the Foodie machine or in the package, you should be able to find these accessories as shown. Air switch, air pressure and air input are on the left side of the machine. Inlet and relief valve are on top of the machine. Air gun connector and outlet are on the back side of the machine. Step 1. Connect outlet hose to the outlet filter and twist it to lock up. The filtered fluid will flow back to coolant tank through this outlet hose. Step 2. Connect suction hose to the inlet. Step 3. Place the black rubber sleeve onto the suction hose. Make sure the end is flat and plain. Tighten the hose by hand. Step 4. Attach the other end of the suction hose with aluminum tube. For aluminum tubes, we will provide you with 2 different lengths of the tubes. Switch to the length that's suitable for your coolant tank. Step 5. Install the leakage collector. When cleaning is done, place both hoses in leakage collectors to avoid leftover dripping. Connect the air gun. Place the hook anywhere you like. Step 6. Connect the air duct so you can turn on the machine pneumatically. Step 7. Place both suction hose and outlet hose in your coolant tank. The dirty oil will be sucked into the machine, be filtered and then returned to your coolant tank via outlet hose. Step 8. Before you turn on the machine, make sure the relief valve is off. Now, you can turn it in to begin the job. Manually suck the floating particles on surface. Also suck in chips at the bottom. When the first cleaning process is done, you can check visually to see whether the filter bucket is full. You may continue to clean the next machine until it's full, or stop and clean the bucket just now. Switch on the relief valve. Let the filter bucket dry for about 30 seconds. Turn off the air switch. Cleaning the filter bucket is easy. All you need to do is to use the air gun, blow, and get rid of any impurities on it. And you will be able to use it over again. For more details, please see Foodie User Manual. Feel free to contact us to obtain the user manual. Thank you for watching. If you have any technical questions, leave us a message or email us anytime.